Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL NxtPaper 10s, and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So basically all you have to do is to simply open the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. So if you've got the gestures, and then all you have to do is to simply swipe your finger or the pen from the bottom of the screen to the center and hold it. On the left the recents will appear. If you've got the 3 buttons navigation just like I have right now, just tap on this icon with 3 bars icon. On the button with 3 bars icon. And as you can see right here, we've got all previously opened apps, the list of them. So if you want to, you can close only one of it or 2 of them. It's up to you. Just find it and swipe it up just like that. And as you can see, they will be closed. But if you've got a lot of apps opened and you don't want to do it manually, just tap on clear all right here. As you can see, we just got back to the home page, so let's enter recents to check. And here we've got no recent items, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. So actually this is it. This is how to turn off running apps in your TCL NxtPaper 10s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.